Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily transfer money between accounts within QuickBooks by using the Transfer Funds Between Accounts window. You can access this window by selecting Banking, Transfer Funds from the menu bar. In this window, enter the date of the transfer into the Date field. Next, select the bank account to transfer funds from by using the Transfer Funds From drop-down. Then select the name of the account to transfer the funds into by using the Transfer Funds To drop-down. Enter the amount of the transfer into the Transfer Amount field. When you are ready to save the transaction, click the Save and Close button to record the funds transfer and close the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.